Hello, good morning students. In previous class, we discussed about the chapter trigonometric equations and we solved some questions based on trigonometric equation of the form sin x is equal to sin alpha, cos x is equal to cos alpha and tan x is equal to tan alpha. Okay, in previous class we discussed about all three of trigonometric equations and its solution. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the general solution of trigonometrical equation of the form sin square x is equal to sin square alpha, cos square x is equal to cos square alpha and tan square x is equal to tan square alpha. Okay, let's see. Today we discuss about the trigonometric equation as sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Okay, first of all we discuss about the solution of the trigonometric equation of the form of sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Let's see. This is first type of trigonometric equation of the form of sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. First we multiply both sides by 2. Let's see. If we multiply both sides by 2, then 2 sin square x is equal to 2 sin square alpha. Okay, and we know that the formula for cos 2x is equal to what? Cos 2 is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. So what we get? 2 sin square alpha is equal to what we get? 1 minus cos 2 alpha. Okay, so we can write 2 sin square alpha as 1 minus cos 2 alpha. Here take alpha. Okay, similarly we write 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, let's see. Here we put what? We write as 2 sin square x as 1 minus cos 2x. Same as we write 2 sin square alpha as what? 1 minus cos 2 alpha. 1 cancel to each other. So what we get? Cos 2x is equal to minus cos 2 alpha. Minus also cancel to each other. Then we have what? Cos 2x is equal to cos 2 alpha. Now what we do now? Let's see. This is the form of the cos x is equal to cos alpha, and we know that the general solution of the cos x is equal to cos 2 alpha as x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. We know that the type of the trigonometric equation and its solution is x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So here we use this solution of the trigonometric equation. Let's see. Now we get what? X, that is 2x is equal to 2n pi plus my alpha. Alpha means that is 2 alpha. Now let's see. 2 cancel to each other from each term, that is x is equal to we get n pi plus minus alpha. So this is the required solution of the trigonometric equation of sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Okay, so dear student, in this way we can solve that type of equation of trigonometrical equation. So if the trigonometric equation of the form of 1 minus sin square x is equal to sin square alpha, then we get the solution of that equation is x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Now we discuss about another type of the trigonometric equation of the form of sin is cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. Let's see. Now we discuss about the trigonometric equation of the form of cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. We apply same method, we multiply 2 both sides, so we get 2 cos square x is equal to 2 cos square alpha. Now what we do? We write, we know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos x minus 1, 2 cos square x minus 1. So we write 2 cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x. We write 2 cos square x by the help of the formula of cos 2x as 1 plus cos 2x. So here we use that identity. So we get, let's see, we write as what? 1 plus cos 2x is equal to, here that is alpha, so we write 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Now 1 cancel to each other, so we get 2 cos 2x is equal to cos 2 alpha. Now again we observe that this is the trigonometrical equation of the form of cos x is equal to cos alpha, and we know that already the general solution of the equation cos x is equal to cos alpha as x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So here we use the same solution of the trigonometric equation. So let's see what we get. X, that is 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha means 2 alpha. Now 2 cancel to each other from each term, so we get x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. This is the, so the general solution of cos square x is the trigonometric equation of the form of cos square x is equal to cos square alpha, same as the sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Okay, so dear students, in this way we solve, we observe that the general solution of the equation of the form cos square x cos square alpha is also equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Similarly, the general solution of the equation of the form tan square x is equal to tan square alpha as x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So, dear students, the all three type trigonometric equation and their solution will be x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Means if the trigonometric equation of the form of sin square x is equal to sin square alpha, or cos square x is equal to cos square alpha, or tan square x is equal to tan square alpha, then the general solution of all three types trigonometric equation is x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Okay, now dear students, we take some questions based on that type of trigonometric equation. Let's see. Now let's take NCERT question. Solve the equation. Solves the trigonometric equation 7 cos square x plus 3 sin square x is equal to 4. Yes, this is the our question. This is our question, that is our trigonometric equation, and we solve that equation. Now let's see. First, if we observe that equation, then what we get? First, we convert that trigonometric equation of the same trigonometric function. Okay, now let's see. Now let's solve it. First of we write as 7 cos square x plus 3 sin square x is equal to 4, and we know that cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. We know that na, this is the trigonometric identity. From identity we can write cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So here we put as 7 into 1 minus sin square x plus 3 sin square x is equal to 4. So we have 7 minus 7 sin square x plus 3 sin square x is equal to 4. Now we get what? 7. This is minus plus minus. 7 minus 3, that is minus 4 sin square x is equal to 4. So we get what? 4 transfer that side, that is 4 sin square x is equal to 7 minus 4 as 3. So we get what? We get sin square x is equal to 3 upon 4, and also we write in this way sin square x is equal to, this is right as 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, after solving that equation we get as sin square x is equal to root, we write 3 by 4 as root 3 by 2 whole square, na? If we square that value, then we get what? 3 by 4. And this is the value of our what? Sin 60. The value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2, na? So we write as sin pi by 3 whole square as sin square pi by 3. Sin square pi by 3. Okay, now let's see. We write as sin square x is equal to sin square pi by 3. This is the form of the trigonometric equation as sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Now here let's see, this is the general this is the trigonometric equation of the form of sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Here alpha is pi by 3, and just I discuss about the general solution of the trigonometric equation of the form of sin square x is equal to sin square alpha as what? X is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So here let's see, its general solutions will be what? X is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha means what? Pi by 3. This is your answer. So dear students, in this way, in this method, we can solve all the trigonometric equation is the form of the sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. First we convert all the trigonometric equation into the same trigonometric function. After that we apply all the identity, and hence we get our result. So dear students, now you can solve your NCERT exercise based on that type of questions. Okay, now we take some other questions of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Let's see next question. Solve the trigonometry equation 2 sin square x plus sin square 2x is equal to 2. This is our question. Okay, so let's see. Here we solve 2 sin square x plus sin square 2x is equal to 2. Let's solve it. Let's its solution. First of all, we write as 2 sin square x plus, and we know that the formula for sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x. So here we put what? 2 sin x into cos x whole square, and is here we 2 write as it is. So let's see, we get 2 sin square x plus 2 to the 4 sin square x into cos square x is equal to 2. Okay, right? Now let's see, 2 sin square x plus 4 sin square x, and we write as cos square x, na? Now let's see, here we take 2 as common, then we get what? Let's see. First we simplify that value. So if we take 2 as common, so we get what? Sin square x plus 2 sin square x into cos square x is equal to 2. Now 2 cancel each other. Here we get what? 1. So we get 2 sin square x into cos square x, and here 1 transfer that side, so we get minus 1 plus sin square x is equal to 0. Okay, now here first we take minus as common. Let's see, that is 2 sin square x into cos square x minus 1 as common. Then we get what? Minus common, we take 1 minus sin square x is equal to 0, and we know that the identity 1 minus sin square x as what? Cos square x. So here let's see, we have 2 sin square x into cos square x minus cos square x is equal to 0. Now we take cos square x as common, then we get what? 2 sin square x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we solve the trigonometry equation. Now we take as cos square x is equal to 0. Now we take 2 sin square x minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence we get two required solution of that trigonometric equation. Let's see. First, when cos square x is equal to 0, then we get cos square x is equal to, that is the value of cos 0, cos square 0 we write as this. So the general solution of that equation, x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, na, because no the value of sin 90 is 1, so sin square cos square pi by 2, cos square pi by 2 we write, na. Yes, so the general solution n pi plus minus, that is pi by 2 alpha value, so pi by 2. Hence this is one solution of this trigonometric equation. Now when we take, when what 2 sin square x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, then what we get? Sin square x is equal to 1 by 2 now. And here let's see, we write in the form of a square, we formed as a square. Let's see, we write as sin square x is equal to 1 upon root 2 square. We write 1 by 2 as 1 by root 2 square, na? And now let's see, this is the value of sin 45. So we get as sin square x is equal to sin square pi by 4. Now let's see, this is the trigonometric equation of the form of sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. So the general solution of that equation, x will be n pi plus minus alpha, means pi by 4. This is the another solution of this trigonometric equation. So let's see the answer. Right, one answer is n pi plus minus pi by 2 and another answer is n pi plus minus pi by 4. So dear students, in this way we solve this trigonometric equation. Let's see once more time. First let's see, here this is our question. So first we convert sin 2x as the identity as 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, now here we squaring, here square, na, so if we square we get 4 sin square x into cos square x is equal to, now we take 2s common, now let's see, 2 cancel to each other and we get what? 2 sin square cos square x minus, transfer that side, and here plus sin square x, right as it is. Now here we take minus s common, we take what? Minus s common, so we get 1 minus sin square x, and let's see, we know that 1 minus sin square is as cos square x. Now in both terms we take cos square x as common, so we get 2 sin square x minus 1. Now if we take cos square x is equal to 0, now we take 2 sin square x minus 1 is equal to 0. As after solving it we get our result. So dear students, first you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class, then after you solve your NCERT exercise questions. Okay, now we take some other questions of that chapter. Let's see. Now let's see some other question. Solve the equation. The question is, solve the equation. Your equation is sin 3 alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha into sin x plus alpha into sin x minus alpha. This is our question here. The solution of the equation is sin 3 alpha as 4 sin alpha into sin x plus alpha into sin x minus alpha, and we know that the formula for sin a plus b into sin a minus b is the formula of what? Sin square a minus sin square b. We write, na? Since we know that sin square A minus sin square B as what? Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So here we use the identity this, so we get what? Let's solve it. First we write as sin 3 alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha into, we use this identity. Okay, here since we get what? Sin square x minus sin square alpha here. Okay, and we know that the formula for sin 3 alpha, sin 3 theta, what is the formula of sin 3 theta? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So here we write 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. This is the formula for sin 3 alpha, and here we multiply that value in that, so we get 4 sin alpha into sin square x plus minus minus, we have what? 4 sin cube alpha. Okay, now let's see. Here's minus 4 sin cube alpha plus 4 sin cube alpha, that is the cancel to each other. Okay, cancel to each other na. So what we get? We get as 3 sin alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha into sin square x. Now let's see, sin alpha also cancel to each other. So we get what? Sin square x is equal to 3 by 4, and also we write as root 3 by 2 whole square. We write what? 3 by 4 in the form of root 3 by 2 whole square. And now let's we get what? The value of root 3 by 2, which degree measure of sin 60. So we write as sin square x as sin square pi by 3. So dear students, this is the trigonometric equation of the form of what? Sin square x is equal to sin square alpha, no? So we get its general solution will be what? X is equal to n pi plus minus alpha means pi by 3. This is the required solution of that trigonometric equation, right? Okay, let's see once more time. Here this is our question here, and first we write sin 3 alpha as it is. Here we write sin 4 sin alpha, and let's see. Here this is the formula. We know that sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This is the formula for sin square A minus sin square B. So here using the identity as sin square x minus sin square alpha, we write in this form. And we know that the formula for sin 3 alpha is 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. So here we put here. Now let's see, that is minus 4 sin cube alpha that side, and of that side also minus 4 sin cube alpha. So these are cancelled to each other. So the left value is 3 sin alpha is equal to 4 sin alpha into sin square x, and now sin alpha cancel to each other. So we get sin square x is equal to 3 by 4, and we write 3 by 4 as root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, and this is the value of sin 30, sin 60. So we write sin pi by 3 whole square. So we get sin square pi by 3. Now this is the trigonometrical equation of the form of sin square x upon is equal to sin square alpha, and we know that the general solution of that type of equation is x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So here we put the value of alpha as pi by 3. So we get x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. This is our required solutions. So dear students, you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on that concept. Okay, now let's we take some other question of that chapter. Let's see one more question. Solve the equation. Your equation is 4 sin x sin 2x into sin 4x is equal to sin 3x. Let's solve this. This is very important question. Okay, now let's see. Our question is 4 sin x into sin 2x into sin 4x is equal to sin 3x. Okay, now first, dear students, we form some we set this question as some trigonometric identities. Let's see. We write as 4 sin x into, we write 2x as what? 3x minus x into, we write sin 4x as what? Sin 3x plus x. We write 3x minus x as 2x and 3x plus x as sin 4x, and here we write sin 3x as it is. Now let's see, this is A, this is B, this is A and this is B. We know that sin A plus B into sin A minus B is the identity of sin square A minus sin square B. So we write as 4 sin x into sin square A minus sin square B. Okay, and here we write the formula for sin 3x is what? The formula of sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Now we multiply each term. Let's see, that is 4 sin x sin square 3x minus, this is the 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube. Let's see, 4 sin cube x, 4 sin cube x cancel to each other. Now we get what? As 4 sin x into sin square 3x, 3 sin x transfer that side, minus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Now we take what? Sin x as common. Sin x as common na? Let's see. So we get what? Zero. Now we take sin x is equal to 0. Now we take this part is equal to 0. Okay. If we take sin x is equal to 0, then we know that sin x is equal to sin 0 degree. So x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to power n into 0. So x is equal to, we get n pi. This is one answer. Now we get, we take what? 4 sin 3x cube sin 4 sin square 3x is equal to 3 here. So we get 3 by 4. So we have sin square 3x is equal to root 3 by 2 square. So the value of root 3 by 2 is sin 60, sin pi sin square pi by 3 here. So sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. So we get x is equal to n pi plus alpha as pi by 3. So we get x is equal to n pi by 3 plus minus pi by 9. This is another answer. Let's see. Right. So dear students, in this way we can solve that type of trigonometric equations. Okay. First we write sin 2x as 3x minus x, and here we write sin 3x plus x. This is the identity of that. Okay, after that we multiply, we break the brackets, and we get this term we cancel to each other. So we get this. Now sin x here common. So if we take sin x is equal to 0, now we take this is equal to 0, and in this way we solve that equation. Okay, now dear students, first you practice all the trigonometric equation which we discussed in that class, and you do more and more practices of each and every question. Now you can solve all the questions of now you complete your NCERT exercise. Now in next class we discuss about the trigonometric equation of the form of a cos x plus b sin x is equal to c. this is the last topic of that chapter. Okay, first you complete your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, thank you.